Hey everyone, I'm out here today. Kind of a cold, windy day. I drilled a hole in the wall yesterday and I installed this in the wall. So today we're going to hook it up and try it out. I'm under the kitchen cabinet. I gotta run this, and then I'm running a PEX line over to our water heater, and then I gotta do some stuff in that water heater room. See that hole right there in the wall? That's the hole that I'm going to try to run that PEX through. Just on the other side of that's the utility closet. Could just tap right into these lines. The reason I'm not doing that is because I'm trying to slowly convert the whole house over to PEX, and I want to build or not build, but I want to buy a manifold system and use the manifold system on these lines. So that's why I'm not doing it that way. If you notice, I've already got two PEX lines in here. Those go over there to the other side of the room. That stack of stuff, I'm eventually going to move the washing machine over there. So right here is where I'm going to tap in at. I'm going to cut that off, and I've got a PVC, or this is CPVC. I've got an elbow, and I'm going to tee it off, and I'm actually going to hook that cold up, and I'm going to hook this other cold up, and I'm going to tee them into each other. So that's how that's going to work. Working around electricity, even if it's doing plumbing, you always want to find your water heater, which is number 7. So you go over here and you find number 7, and you flip it off. So now the water heater should be in the offwards position. That dry for about an hour before I can try it out, so I'll let it dry and then I'll let you guys see when the water comes back on. My first spot, I already bled the line, but now I've got water. It goes everywhere. So now we'll go outside and check the outside one. Alright, I'm out here again. I got that all hooked up. Now let's give it a try. We're going to get the ground even more wet. Look at that. Now I have water outside. So, that's pretty nice. Ooh. Now water runs all the way down the side of the trailer in that track, which isn't a good thing. My silicone didn't dry too well. Kind of got too cool, I guess, for it to dry. So it'll dry here in a couple of days, hopefully. And it did rain last night too, so that probably didn't help anything. But anyways, see you all next time.